Thoughtful design, breakthrough capability, outstanding value. That's why IT teams deploy Logitech devices to video-enable their meeting rooms. But how do you manage 100 rooms or thousands? What can you use to easily monitor room health and keep devices up to date? The answer is Logitech Sync, a modern cloud-based platform that helps monitor and manage your Logitech devices at scale and provides insights about your meeting rooms. For easy monitoring, a real-time dashboard highlights rooms with issues, so you can dig into the details. That means fewer surprises and urgent calls. With remote management, you can deploy upgrades and security patches across all of your rooms. Everything stays in sync. Coming next year, Sync will measure how rooms are used, giving you the insights to optimize your meeting rooms. Logitech Sync makes managing your video conferencing devices easy, no matter how big you grow.